FacialEvolution is a new way to approach the beauty industry. It is the future of non-invasive advanced facelifting and age-related solutions. We like to introduce a new holistic, groundbreaking technique to restore facial aesthetics. FacialEvolution is offering a special training for professional growth that will include 3 separate courses on aesthetic facial treatment and face massages. By learning this course, you will transform the way you work, harness an ancient and modern technique to help you stand out from competition. Amazing benefits of facial gua sha massage: improve the movement of lymphatic fluids, break down tension in muscles such as face, neck, and shoulders, reduces facial line and can be used like a natural facelift, which result in less puffiness and sharper cheekbone, increase blood circulation while lifting and firming the skin, improve facial skin with blackheads and acne, give the face a smoother complexion and more sculptured feature. This one-day course will include professional gua sha tools like fishes, oil and detail manual. It will cover gua sha history, different tools, preparation gua sha face massage sequence with proper technique for face, neck and chest, the ability to provide 30-40 minutes professional treatment to your clients with all-day live practice, and gua sha face certificate. Buccal massage over the last year, also known as intraoral, became a known treatment for non-surgical facelift. Buccal massage involves massaging the face from inside of the mouth and accessing deep muscles. It is critical that it's performed by trained professionals that have proper knowledge of facial anatomy, age-related pattern, and hygiene protocol. Our face have over 75 muscles, a lot of them overly used in our daily lives, so it is crucial to remove all that tension. With Buccal treatment, you will improve TMJ tension, blood circulation, sinus congestion, balance the bone structure, encourage collagen production, relieves the side effects of conditions such as migraine headaches. This 2-day course will include learning materials, Buccal face massage sequence with proper technique and hygiene protocol, the ability to provide 50 minutes treatment to your clients, live practice hands-on, and Buccal face massage certificate. Lifting facial massage is one of the methods of influencing soft tissue, aimed at stimulating their tone, the production of elastin and collagen in a deeper layer of the skin. Lifting massage can correct sagged muscles, visually reduce wrinkles, and form a clear contour of the oval cheekbones and chin. Manual face lifting is a procedure during which physical impact is performed on soft tissue, skin, subcutaneous tissue, muscles. This stimulates blood circulation, improves the supply of tissue with oxygen and nutrients, enhances metabolism, and starts regeneration processes. The procedure is used as an independent technique and as part of complex therapy. This 1-day course will include learning materials, lifting face massage sequence with proper technique and understanding anatomy of the face, the ability to provide 45 minutes treatment to your clients, live practice hands-on, and lifting face massage certificate. Learn these amazing new skills and be a beauty leader that will stand out.